next few days, I will have a new kung paano ko gawin. And I will, you'll be informed. So that ends my audience with you. I have full faith in Panelo. Hindi ganyan yung tao. Nagkamali kayo. He has a thriving law practice. Lawyering, kumikita yan ang malaki. At hindi yan makiusap ng ganun. Lalo na si Sanchez, magsabi ka pa na isang farmer dyan na nakapatay dahil pinagbintangan siya na nagnakaw. When I was mayor of Davao, usually I go to the jail. Tapos pag-assemble, sinong nademanda sa iyo na nagnakaw ng propiedad ng amo ninyo? Magsabi, ikaw. So sabi niya, wala yung